Hi beauties, guys, I miss this wigs. Oh my goodness, those days. Hi beauties, how are you doing? Hope everything is well with you. So guys, I'm about to record a video and I'm making up a little bit. I said this can't be a content, everything is a content. So, and also show you this lovely hair I got online straight from China. It's a factory made hair and I love the lightness of it. I love the texture of it, and I want to show you, even though I've used it in a couple of my videos on TikTok. Here is my account. Please follow me there and let's vibe. Okay, let's vibe. So sit back, watch me slay this hair. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Right, show you the hair first. Okay, let me show you before we start doing our makeup. So this is it. I think I've used it in one of my vlogs here. Yeah, I think I've used it when I was going to beach. Yeah. So this is how it looks, but when I'm done, you'll see how beautiful this hair is. Before I start with my makeup, I want to use this wipe on my face. Okay, even though I've washed my face up. Guys, be ages I did makeup. Of late, I don't feel like doing makeup because my face is looking so nice that I don't need to do makeup. But this one, we need to do it. For content's sake, we need to do it. So I'm about to draw my eyebrow with this MAC pencil. So let's begin by brushing it. It's been ages. See how it turned out. Please take it like that. So I guess I already have eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just going to dip in this. So guys, how are you doing? It's been so long. We vibe on this channel. I think I have to go live this evening so we can vibe. And I want to know how you guys see my content. Is the content I'm providing good? Because I don't see much engagement on the video. I don't know what is wrong. I actually don't know. And this is very, very difficult at times when you see low views on your content, and that content, that content took you like hours to record, delete, record, edit, and everything, and you're not getting that much engagement. It's very, very like frustrating. Very frustrating, guys. So I just want to know if what I'm doing is really it's what you guys want, because sometimes YouTube algorithm suggests videos that people may like, and you may jump on it, but still I remember 2 years ago I did one video about street food, and that was what YouTube was suggesting, that it's going to go viral or people may love to see on my channel. So I did that video. I took that risk or that challenge to do that video, and that video 2 years now, it took a year for the video to be viral, and up to now that video is really, really doing well. And I don't know how this thing went, because I can see some people posting videos and within some few hours, some few minutes, their videos are doing well. So I keep asking myself, what am I not doing right that is preventing my videos to be seen out there? I try as much as possible to research. I know supporting also do much to it. Okay, like when you watch other videos and people too will come and watch your videos. At times I feel it doesn't work like that, even though it works in some cases. So I don't really know what is going on YouTube. I don't know, am I outcast here? Because it's very difficult. So this thing you are doing, even though you are doing it for something, it's very, very difficult. I don't know whether you are a human being or a robot. Robots I hope they can hear. So far as they can know this, the video is being watched. Oh my god, I'm spoiling my brow. Okay, I think it's better now. So I'm saying, so far as they can know that this video is doing so, people are watching, they are pushing it. In the same way, they have to know that we are also suffering, and when we say things or we complain, they have to hear and do something about it for us. I'm not talking about myself alone. A lot of people are going through what I'm going, and it's very, very frustrating, and that is not encouraging at all. YouTube, please hear us. Okay, I love to apply powder on my face before applying makeup. That's too much on my nose. Those who are going through what I'm going through, please come. Let's join hand, though. Let's join hand and see what YouTube can do for us, because this is too much. All the stress and everything, and at the end of it, we will not get what we want. It's very frustrating, very, very frustrating. Guys, I've forgotten the steps of making makeup, so bear with me. I hope this ranting of mine be heard and support. So guys, support us. So those who are out there that they are watching your videos, see us through. Don't share us today and tomorrow you will not share, because say your people will be coming and watching us and not come back to you. Share us. Share us your community. Let them also know us. If they love our content, they will stay. They will surely stay for us. If they don't love it, they will go. No, you share us and like 100 people tend to the video. All of them will stay. At least some of them will love your content, some will not love it. So please do all to share. If you share, don't do it one. We share. Yes, you share to our smaller community, and they also come to you. It's like hand go, hand come. It's how we do this. Some people they will share and they will think say when they share us, their people will not come to them again, which is not the thing, because we are doing a different content. I'm also doing a different content, so not everybody like will love to stay. Guys, I'm actually using powder here because I don't have enough products. I'm using powder. I keep saying anyhow it come out. Take it like that though. And I'm loving the outcome though. Enough of the ranting, okay? If someone will help you, will help you. I'm just saying it just by the way. It's not by force. But God's time is the best, okay? God's time is the best. Maybe this is your time of you blowing, and this is not my time, okay? All right, I think this is okay. Let me get some small lip gloss. I just use Vaseline on my lips. I don't have lip gloss. See, it's been long. Maybe this product I'm using, I'm not supposed to be using it because it has been long. Let's put on our hair. This is how the inner is. Let me show you. This is how it is. Okay, and it has some comb here. Is it comb? Yeah. This is what holds the hair, and one is also here. And I don't know how they call this, plastic band here to lock it from behind. Hey, I look like a Kung Fu Rasta. Like, I love how it fits this. It's on my head. I'm going to use this conditioner. I don't have wigs with me, so I'm going to use this hair conditioner. This is External hair products. Okay, guys, please patronize my product. So patronize it. It's very good on your hair. Okay, so this is how the conditioner looks like. Okay, it is made with honey. Okay, so just going to it smells so nice. So nice. I'm getting myself some spirit water. A little bit of it, okay? You can either comb it and see how. See, this is how the hair is, and I'm loving it. It looks so good on me. Oh, I lie. So, all right. So that's it, and I hope you love it. So I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.